Yo, what's good? What's good? I hope everyone's well. Oh, I always have to get comfy, man. I'm gonna fuck my shoulder in the gym today. But yeah, what's good? Welcome back to another Another trade and journey video. I guess what is this now? 14, episode 14. So fuck me, I'm actually being consistent for once. It's got to a point now where like last week I was late and I felt like I could just skip this week, and I felt shit, like because I didn't record anything, even though some weeks I might not have much to talk about. It's just like it's a habit now. Do you know what I mean? So and it's a good habit to have. Like this for me is like another form of journaling. So as well as my written journals, like this is kind of like a verbal, video, documented journal. I like to look and see how my charts evolve and how my trading improves over the months, and seeing where I was when I started to where I am now, and just how much better looking I am now. I'm joking, but I'm not gonna lie, this fade, a bit fucking sick, not gonna lie. Little pre-holiday haircut. Anyways, this week, yeah man, just wanted to jump on quickly. I don't really have any specific topics as such. Like last week we spoke about session timings for people that don't know, about Asia, London, New York. What does that mean? What sort of things can we look for? I think the week before we went over, it was like my year's anniversary in trading. So I went over like some key things and that I learned along the way, and that I feel like is important to anyone that's trading as well. So today is just going to be back to a normal sort of weekly overview. So in terms of like how my last couple of weeks have gone, my trading's improving a lot, to be honest. I will go. I actually am going to show my plan, my journal in a minute. But I'm currently in a mentorship with one of my mentors. So at the minute I have two mentors, well, three mentors as such, to be honest with you. So I'm in two different communities, which yeah, people are going to be like, why are you in two communities? But like, why are you in this one and this one? Like, fuck off, man. Why would I not be? Like, if you have the opportunity to learn from more than one person, why would you not want to take that opportunity, right? It's like, it just doesn't make sense. I don't know. Communities in trading can be really weird, man. Like people are like, "Oh, you was in that one." Like, there's not so much beef, but it's like, so what, man? If I have the opportunity and can be in more than one community with genuine mentors that are going to help and I can learn from multiple people, why would I not want to do that, right? It's like you don't have like a UFC fighter just with a striking coach, right? Makes no sense. They have a striking coach, strength and conditioning. They'll have a jiu-jitsu, wrestling coach, health nutritionist. Like they have this, they have more than one person that they learn from. And trading's a bit like that. You have a psychology aspect. You have, higher time frame, market analysis. You have the Riz, the guy I found him, and I'm more with him because he's more kind of intricate 1 minute, second entries, and it's really leveling up my game. Whereas my other mentor, big up Jeddah and Santos, like this is more higher time frame, fundamentals. It's just, yeah, man, just the combination of it all for me is really, really positive. So yeah, for anyone that's like, oh, you're in more than one community, come on, minute. Nah, but yeah, so I'm in a mentorship right now, which is like a 3-month mentorship that I'm doing with Riz. Loving it so far. If anyone ever has the opportunity as well to do a mentorship, invest in yourself, have more of someone's time, and really have something kind of tailored to you, and go through that proper plan or proper training, definitely recommend that as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually share my my plan for the last 2 weeks, just to be transparent. So if I go to, I think it's this one, right? Yeah, there we go. So this is like since starting my mentorship, obviously similar format to what I already have, but this is my let me see a little bit. This is my my trading plan so far. So like you can see there's losses in here, right? This is over 2 weeks. There's a lot of losses, like way more losses than wins. But if I add up my total in terms of percentages, that, for anyone that can't see, that says 14%. So 14% profit despite only winning 4 trades. I mean, I'm still making a lot of mistakes, obviously, because I'm still kind of adapting and learning this new, it's not even new to me, it's just a more intricate, lower time frame style of trading, scalping if you like, but still smart money. So yeah, like last 2 weeks I've done 14%, which is great. Had a really good week last week. I think I did like did I do 9 or something, 10%, something like that. But yeah, man, I had I've been taking like these trials as well, FTMO trials. So I passed one of them last week, which was good. But yeah, just wanted to be transparent. I'm going to go through a couple of these actually and break a couple down. But we had you know, a few different trades here. So if I go to this first one, so you can kind of see how I document my trades. So yeah, this was one of the first trades that I took. So this is my before picture. So we're coming down into a, what day was this? 14th, is that to say? 12, 13. I can't even find it now, to be honest. Was it here? I think it was here. Yeah, so we had this this blue structure here, and my area of interest was this wick. This was my POI for this trade. So basically, when I say that, this is the area where I'm expecting there to be some form of reaction from. So it's a bit difficult. Break this down. Yeah, so this is what I just marked, right? This was the POI. Essentially, here we go. Sorry, messy, but yeah, I'm not editing or anything like that today. But this is the POI that we marked. Let's go. Yep, this is it here. So I'm just showing you what this actually looked like. So we're coming into this POI. Once we tapped in, then I'm sort of looking, okay, what happens? We have this big impulse up. So we're on the 1 minute, by the way. So like complete different to what I'm normally doing. But what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a shift from sellers to buyers. Okay, I'm looking for buyers taking control and coming into the market, taking out some sellers, and then going from there really. So we kept a really simple entry. We came into this POI, we saw a good impulse up, this wick up, taking out, you know, some highs, and then we came down. I noticed that we failed to make a lower low. We came down, we respected this low here. Okay, and then this is where I was looking for my entry. So my entry was, I believe, was actually off of here. I think it was this candle. So I waited to get a couple of confirmations. So I wanted to see this order flow be respected. We reacted from this candle. We then reacted from this candle. So we're kind of making like a chain, right? We're sort of making like this chain here. So if I show you the finished article, we came in, we tapped into this one, and this was my entry here, I believe. I think I entered like this wick, just touched the body, stops just below the low, and then 1 to 5 was where I closed. So I closed about here. So yeah, that was the first trade. Really simple breakdown. Came into POI, waited for those confirmations, took the entry 1 to 5, didn't get greedy, didn't need to wait and hold or anything like that. I just literally closed it as soon as it got to 1 to 5, and then price actually then came back down. So it's just, yeah, that's why I'm happy to just take my winnings, take what I need from the market, and close things out. That was one. Where was another one? This one. I'm literally showing you exactly from my thing. So what do we have here? 14th again, same day. I'm now trying to find them on here. 14th. It was during New York. Here. Yes, this one. Right, so perfect. Yeah, so we had this. Cool. So we had this structure now, this 5 minute leg from low to high to low, sorry. I think this was, yeah, so we'd taken this low, came back to a premium, made a new leg. This was my 5 minute structure. Sorry if I'm whizzing through these, but and then we had this order block here at the top. Okay, this is what I was looking for, my POI, waiting for this reaction. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replay it to here so we don't get kicked all the way back. There we go. Cool. Now I'll go down to my 1 minute. This is what I was essentially looking at. Go to here. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. Cool. Yeah, so this is where we are. 15-minute POI. Oh, it was a 15-minute as well. Yeah, it was. There we go. So just so you understand how I'm marking this structure out, right? We had this 15-minute range, right? From here all the way back here. It actually starts here. We have our first leg down, right? We came up into a premium. We didn't break above this high. This will be our lower high. Then from here, where are we? We keep coming down. No, we're not coming into this premium here, which is this. If this was going to be a new leg, we first have to break this low down here, right? Or we have to, and we have to come up into a premium. So on this leg here, we keep coming. We take out this low, but we still haven't come up into a premium, right? So we're still in this same leg. So now when we come down to here, now we come up into our premium. Okay, we come up into our premium. Then what happens? Okay, we take this low, right? This low here, we take this low. So I think, okay, cool, we're in a new price range now. All it is, price ranges, discounts, and entries, right? New price range from here to this low. What is in this premium, right? This top half, okay? This candle here, this 15-minute, right? Up before a sell down, break a structure. So could have marked this whole 15-minute, but I think we even narrowed it down to a 5. Go down to the 5-minute, see where we were. We were here. Okay, we have our buy to sell, taking out these lows. Price is kind of coming back up here. We had a reaction. Down to my 1 minute now on how I want to enter. So again, I'm looking for a shift from buyers to sellers. Okay, so I noticed this push up here. Okay, we push up here, we sell off. Okay, there are some sellers getting into the market here. Probably not early sellers because we didn't actually take out any of these lows, but it still shows a bit of selling momentum. We then come up, take them out. Okay, we've then taken out these sellers. Okay, and then we tap into here, and then we start to see some movement down. So this again was a bit of a risky entry, to be honest, because I just noticed that we'd kind of stalled around here. Then we came out, we impulsed up, took out these highs, then impulsed down, took out these lows. That enough for me is that, liquidity has been swept both sides. Where does my entry want to be? I actually had my entry, I was looking at this block. This was my entry zone. Okay, and this was my stops were above this high, I believe. Yep, 1 minute supply. Went to go and do 1 to 10. So yeah, I closed out obviously at 1 to 5 because I'm happy. I'm risking 1%, and I am, you need 10% a month to pass a challenge. So if I'm closing at 5%, then happy days. But this went and did a 1 to 10. The reason why I didn't hold it or even just take partials was because I'd already had a win before that day. Yeah, so that was it. They're the kind of main trades that I took last week. Hopefully that's kind of simple. There was a couple more, but essentially it's just following the same pattern, right? This here was I don't know if I can zoom in on this photo. When you zoom in, it like zooms out. I don't really know how this works, but anyways, I'm not going to go back because this was on the 7th, but again, same thing, right? You look at the pattern, it looks very, very similar, right? Push up, push down, take liquidity, sell off, order block, imbalance, highs here to get taken. Same here, order block, imbalance, highs here to get taken. So that's it, man. They don't always play out, but you have your risk management set. There's no reason if you don't stick to your edge. Oh no, I need to zoom this out. there we go, be profitable. So yeah, man, that was it. I literally just wanted to cover a couple of trades, break things down really quickly, and just, yeah, have some video out. So I'm going to be away, so I'm probably not going to be uploading anything for a couple of weeks, maybe even longer. It depends on my situation. If I can do something from my laptop, I will, but probably won't be able to. So probably take a little break. Still going to be active on the charts, and active within my mentorship. But yeah, all in all, I hope everyone has a brilliant weekend, brilliant week, and I will catch you soon. Thank you.